He stood a while and he gazed upon her. He said, "Young lady, what you fancy I am no lady, but a farmer's daughter of low degree. And if you want for to meet a lady, travel further, don't fancy me. It's 7 years since I had a sweetheart, 7 years since I didn't see, and 7 more I will wait upon him. If he's alive, sure he'll come to me. If it's 7 years since you had a sweetheart, 7 years since you did him see, and 7 more you will wait upon him, perhaps this young man you ne'er will see. Well, if he's sick, sure I wish him better, and if he's dead, sure I wish him rest. If he's alive, sure I love him dearly. He is the young man I do love best. It's when he saw that she beamed so truly, he felt a pity that she might be lost. I am your true and your single sailor, that many's the time o'er the ocean crossed. If you're my true and my single sailor, your looks and features have changed to me. It's 7 years on the